Hey guys, John here, Vapor Holding Technologies here today, coming at you with another frequently asked question, and that is something that we handle a lot, and that is, can you cross-contaminate a stainless steel part after blasting a carbon steel part? And the real simple short answer to that is cross-contamination in a vapor holding cabinet is so rare and few and far between that I almost want to say it never happens. We've had many coating facilities that have that have had past cross-contamination issues where they've had to have separate dry blasting cabinets for carbon steel parts and stainless steel parts and titanium and what have you. But in a wet blasting cabinet, it is very, very difficult, almost impossible to cross-contaminate if you're going to be blasting carbon steel and stainless steel parts. And I know some of you watching might ask, well, how in the heck could I cross-contaminate? And basically that would be, you would take small metal particles that are being blasted off of the part you're blasting, and then those would get sucked up into the pumping system in the gun and delivered back onto the part. So in a dry system, you can imagine those metal shards getting circulated in with the abrasive, and it could completely cross-contaminate the part. It happens every single day, and that's why we have customers switching to wet systems, because cross-contamination is not a problem. And we've sold these particular solutions to some of the higher end coating arenas, the PVD coatings of the world. Those are specific and they're very, very finicky processes where contamination on the surface is a huge issue. So cross-contamination is not a problem at all in a wet system. And again, that is one of the many, many benefits that you get from a wet cabinet. Not to mention we can mix abrasives. We can use the finest abrasives in the world into the 1200 meshes because we get this very nice homogeneous mixture of what we call a slurry, which is water and the abrasive mixed up. We get that, and we don't contaminate using materials that are coming off the part. We don't actually send that back into the surface. And again, a lot of that's based on, like some of the videos we've created in the past, the flow-based cleaning nature of a wet cabinet versus like impact and forceful impact. That's where this comes in. So hopefully that answers that question. Cross-contamination is all but eliminated. And again, we've never ever experienced that with all the customers that we've helped with that specific problem. So hopefully that helps. If it does, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell notification so that you get notified every single time we drop a new video just for you. And as always, thanks for watching.